How to fix silence calls on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of silence calls on your iPhone so you don't end up missing anything important. Make sure to stick around till the end so you don't skip any key settings. Alright, first go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode isn't turned on. If it is, tap it to turn it off. Next, check the physical silence switch on the left side of your iPhone. If it's showing orange, that means your phone is on silent. Flip it to the other side to turn the ringer back on. If you're still missing calls, open up the Settings app. Scroll all the way to bottom and open Apps drawer. Here, simply search for Phone Settings. Tap into that. Then find a setting called Silence Unknown Callers. If this is turned on, your iPhone will silence calls from numbers not in your contacts. So switch it off if you want to hear all incoming calls. That's it. Your iPhone should now ring properly and you won't miss any more calls. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.